Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has doubled down in the power struggle with his deputy DK Shivakumar, claiming the full support of the Congress top leaders, including the Gandhi family, lies with him. Siddaramaiah told NDTV he could not continue in his post without the party's backing. The veteran politician made it clear he intends to see through the 5-year term that began in 2023, hopefully putting an end to the rumors that there is a mutiny brewing among his deputies. Quote, "The question of leadership is not with the High Command. Shivakumar's challenge has been resolved. I'm getting the full support of the Congress High Command. Wouldn't have continued if they had not supported me," the Chief Minister told NDTV today in Delhi. But last evening's meeting with Randeep Surjewala, the Congress troubleshooter's visit to Bengaluru last week to broker another truce, suggests all is not well in the state. Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar are both in the city, ostensibly to discuss party appointments and invite Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for a state event. Quote, "Yesterday, Shivakumar and I met Surjewala. We discussed appointments to remaining municipal boards and corporations and opportunities for party workers. He's coming again to Bengaluru on July 16th and we will finalize the list," the Chief Minister said, adding, "The meeting was incomplete." Siddaramaiah's have full support message today follows yesterday's no vacancy for the Chief Minister post declaration and underlines his resolve to hold firm to that position. Quote, "DK Shivakumar himself said that there is no vacation for the Chief Minister post. There is no 50-50 formula. I'm the Chief Minister of Karnataka," Siddaramaiah told reporters. The 50-50 formula was a remark made by certain members of the Congress fraternity as well as outsiders that after the 2023 win, it was decided that Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah would share the chief ministerial post for 2.5 years each. The Congress's joy at victory over the BJP had been quickly replaced by tension as Siddaramaiah and DKS had squabbled over who would become the chief minister. DKS, credited with orchestrating the party's win in 2023, was hoping to be suitably rewarded, but the Congress opted for Siddaramaiah, who had the support of the MLAs. There was then talk of Siddaramaiah agreed to step down halfway through his term, which will be in September. Over the past few weeks, that deal has been repeatedly referred to by MLAs loyal to Shivakumar, but those loyal to Siddaramaiah have denied any deal. As DKS and Siddaramaiah camps squabbled, and tensions soared. The Congress sent Surjewala to sort out the issue, and he seemed to have done that after DKS, albeit grumpily, backed down.